Hello guys, welcome to the latest episode of Big Trip, and today I am at Southampton Central, located on the South Western Main Line. My first visit back to South Western Railway's territory for quite some time. Today we're seeing services from South Western Railway, Great Western Railway, Govia Thameslink Railway in the brand of Southern, and CrossCountry as well. The train over here is 165134 along with something else. This is the 1210 Great Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to Cardiff Central. The train you just saw leave was 166219, that was the 1206 Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour from Cardiff Central. We're seeing turbos on these routes and not 158s, which will be, but I'm sure we'll see some. But there'll be plenty of trains popping up here and there. I've been here a fair few times. The last few times I've been here, they've not really been perfect. Let me talk you through it. First time I came here was alright, but I wasn't really doing it properly, filming properly for some weird reason. Second time, got told to leave. I remember that one very well. Third time, it worked, it was fine, but we got loads of disruption due to problems with the third rail. And the fourth time, which was last time, South Western Railway were on strike. So this is number 5, attempt 5, and we're going to see if it goes perfectly this time. Let's see. Joining me today at Southampton Central is Tom, the train spotter. Do check out his channel. Seen him in a few videos recently. A bit like Keane, he's become sort of a travel companion, if you like. A bit like Mr. Ivy Bridge Railway Videos, who's not talking Spanish.
I'm out of normal zones at the moment.
Yes, you are, aren't you? Out of territory. Yes. So yeah. If you do wish to check out any real-time updates and trips and posts, please do check out my Facebook group. The link is in the description. I will be looking around this station to look for any sort of marking on here that says Tornado 922, because I know he was only here last week. So if I do see that, I'll scribble it out and put my channel name instead. So, you know, no. Sorry, Jared. Anyway, so I'm only kidding, of course. Anyway, right, so let's see what's on offer here, shall we? Let's get started here at Southampton Central. Enjoy the video. Okay, the first train to arrive is going to be the 1217 cross-country service from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. It's formed of 221139. Service will call now at Southampton Airport Parkway, Winchester, Basingstoke, Reading, Oxford, Banbury, Leamington Spa, Coventry, Birmingham International, Birmingham New Street, Wolverhampton, Stafford, Stoke-on-Trent, Macclesfield, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. So we'll see that one go out, should be seeing that one go out in a minute. Okay, on its departure now is the 1210 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. Bit delayed. One 165134 and 165127. Sounding a bit strange, those turbos. There must be something wrong with them. They don't seem to be synchronising very well. The train also approaching is going to be waiting here for ages. I believe it's the 1231 South Western Railway service to Poole from London Waterloo. It looks like it's a 450 forming this one. 450-567 it is indeed. Heading to Poole. This will be stopping right up here. This one stops very far at the platform, just so it's out the way. So it's turning into a bit of like a train simulator here when you set up the AI. So, and arriving in now is a terminating Southern service from Brighton, which is 377107. Got Got a bit of a glimpse here because we're on the platform, but there it is. Okay, now approaching the station is a terminating Great Western Railway service from Westbury, which is formed of 166213. This will be forming a 1227 starting here at Southampton Central to Great Malvern.
Oh, I can hear it.
This is 166213. Okay, arriving now is a 1224 South Western Railway service to Weymouth, 444018. Should I say 444018 even? And 444020.
For the 1227 Great Malvern service via Salisbury. The train on 2A is the 1229 Southern service to Brighton.
So there's this one. Okay, departing now is the 1224 South Western Railway service to Weymouth. So, you see there's another train down there, that's the pool service. So that leads me nicely on to what question of the video is for Southampton Central, and that one is, can you name a train service that actually arrives at the station, is a through service, but waits a long time at that station? So you've got to name a station where a train, oh, let me rephrase that. So can you name a station where a train will wait a long time before it actually leaves? It cannot be a terminating service, though. It has to be a service that's still going to continue a journey. But it has to be waiting a long time at a station. Can you name a station where there is a service that does that? Okay, the party now is going to be the 1227 Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern. And arriving is at Weymouth Waterloo with a 450 and a 444. Wow. That's 166213. This is the 1230 South Western Railway service from Weymouth to London Waterloo, and it's formed of a 450 and a 444 together.
I think I saw 451 and 4.
Yeah, we'll have to see. I'm going to see this one go out in a minute. Okay, departing now is 377107 with the 1229 Southern service to Brighton. So there's that one. 450-103 is the front of that South Western Railway service, which you'll see in a minute. Okay, departing now is going to be the 1230 South Western Railway service from Weymouth to London Waterloo. Or not, yeah? Is it, or is it not? No, doors are locked now, it's off, yeah. $450-103 is the front. The rear of it, we'll have to see in a minute. I couldn't actually see what it was. There we go, it's off now. Triple 4029 is the rear.
This train has 2 carriages.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
So there goes that one. That service now, because it's from Weymouth, presumably next calls at Southampton Airport Parkway, and then Winchester and Basingstoke. That service, I think, is Winchester and Basingstoke, and it's Clapham Junction and London Waterloo. They do alternate though, and some do do Woking and then non-stop to Waterloo, but it would depend. They do Winchester regardless anyway, and Southampton Airport regardless. Okay, arriving now is the 12:35 South Western Railway service from Salisbury to Romsey.
1 for the 12:35 South Western Railway service to Romsey via Eastleigh, calling out.
And approaching as well is the 12:37 service to Salisbury from Romsey, coming from the other direction. But this one
This train has 2 carriages.
is 158886. Also arriving now on platform 3, once that one arrives, is 158882. So this one's a bit early, so 886 will be off first. We'll see these go out in a minute. Okay, departing now is the 12:35 South Western Railway service to Romsey from Salisbury. And arriving as well as a terminating South Western Railway service from Portsmouth and Southsea. This is formed of a 450, this will be the 12:44 to Portsmouth and Southsea. It's 450-035. And departing now is going to be the 12:37 to Salisbury. That service calls now at Millbrook, Redbridge, Romsey, Motterswanton, Dunbridge, Dean and Salisbury. So there goes that one. Okay, next train to depart is going to be the 12:44 South Western Railway service to Portsmouth and Southsea, which is a local stopping service in between here and Fareham. Next stop for it is St Denis.
CrossCountry service to Bournemouth, calling at Rockford and
And that's 450-035. So there goes that one. Okay, arriving now is the 12:45 cross-country service from Manchester Piccadilly to Bournemouth, running about 4 minutes late.
45 cross-country service to Bournemouth.
This one calls at Brockenhurst and Bournemouth only.
This train has
It's 221134. see this one leave in a minute. Okay, next train to depart is the 12:45 cross-country service to Bournemouth from Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Brockenhurst and Bournemouth. So there goes that one. Okay, arriving now is the 12:55 South Western Railway service from Poole to London Waterloo, which is 4:50.002. And 4:50.011. As a stopping service, that one, and it waits ages at most places, so yeah, there it is. And arriving here we've got the I believe the 12:54 South Western Railway service to Weymouth, which is 444.002. And whatever else at the rear, but we'll see it go out in a minute. Okay, departing now is the 12:54 South Western Railway service to Weymouth. Triple 4.006 is the rear. So there goes that one, heading over to Weymouth. Okay, departing now is the 12:55 South Western Railway service from Poole to London Waterloo.
The next train to leave platform 1 is the 1300 South Western Railway.
There goes that one. Okay, passing through now, we've got a Freightliner Class 70 from Crewbass Hall to Southampton. Also arriving is the 1300 South Western Railway service from Weymouth to London Waterloo, which you'll see as well. This one is the Basingstoke Clapham Junction caller. The other one was a Woking caller. Here's this one. It's 444037. So we'll see this one leave in a minute. Okay, departing now is going to be the 1300 South Western Railway service from Weymouth to London Waterloo. This service calls at Southampton Airport Parkway, Winchester, Basingstoke, Clapham Junction and London Waterloo. It's 444042 at the rear. Yeah, heading away behind the bushes there, behind the vegetation, behind the flowers, if you like. Sorry, hay fever sufferers, I've just given you virtual hay fever by looking at those flowers right there. I'm very sorry about that. I'm a hay fever sufferer myself, so you know I should not be doing that. What a hypocrite I am. Okay, arriving now is a terminating southern service from London Victoria. 377156. This will be forming the 1313 Southern service to London Victoria. Running about a minute late arriving, but there it is. It's got a 9-minute turnaround here. Okay, arriving now is the 1310 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central from Portsmouth Harbour. It should be formed of a 165 and a 166. It's 165118. At the front. Oh hello, we've got someone else here as well. The rear of it is 16211 and arriving is the 1305 Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour, and that's 158951. So we'll see that one leave in a minute. There's this one as well. Oh, 5249 is the rear of it. I did not see that coming. See that? I'll explain what that one is in a minute. There's 444045. This is the 1330 South Western Railway service to Poole. Yeah, and the turbos have just headed off to Cardiff Central as well. This is just a 5 car. This is the 1230 South Western Railway, 1330, sorry, South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Poole. So that was 158951 and 15249, which I did not expect at all because the announcement said 3 coaches, and it turned out to be 5. I don't think the 150 must not have been in use. Yeah. Surely it couldn't have been.
Yeah, I forgot to mention that.
Also departing is the 1213 Southern service to London Victoria. So I'll explain, this is 377, I said 156 didn't I? It's actually 377158. And the 1317 from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly is also arriving. That train's first stop is Swanwick. And here is the 1317 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bournemouth, formed of a 4-coach. That's the first time I heard an announcement like that. Group save tickets. Right, let's zoom in on it. It is...
020, I think I saw.
It's 220.013. Just about got that. There it is.
God, how do you get that?
So just got it on I got it at an angle, I zoomed in on it. Anyway, it is 013. So yeah, just explaining, yeah, 152.49, didn't expect that at all, which was pretty cool. But anyway, we'll see that one come back later. That was the 1305 service from Cardiff Central to Portsmouth Harbour. Let's see this Voyager go out in a minute. Okay, and arriving now is a terminating cross-country service from Newcastle, which is 220.007. And departing now is the 1317 cross-country service from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. With an old man on the train, he stuck his middle finger up. That was hilarious. I love it when people do that. That literally just makes my day. An old man on the train. Looks like an old man. Very angry, grumpy old man. He's probably got no life. Stuck his middle finger up. That was brilliant. Okay, arriving now is a terminating southern service from Brighton, which is 377.403. This will be forming the 1329 to Brighton. Only has a 9-minute turnaround again. There it is. Okay, arriving now is going to be the 1324 Southwestern Railway service to Weymouth, which is 444.014. It's 444.025 there. Okay, departing now, it's the 1324 Southwestern Railway service to Weymouth from London Waterloo. There you go, it's off now. And 444.025 at the rear. And also, Wailing Way just in the background was the 1326 to Brighton for Southern. That's just departed as well, but that was in the background because this one departed late. So, but there goes that one to Weymouth. Okay, departing now is going to be the 1330 Southwestern Railway service from London Waterloo to Poole. Just 444045, which we've been waiting here for about 18 minutes. Also arriving is the 1330 South Western Railway service from Weymouth to London Waterloo, which will be calling at Southampton Airport Parkway, Winchester, Woking and London Waterloo. It's 444003. And 444030. Okay, the partner now is going to be the 1330 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. Whistle's constantly going there. It's taking a while to go. There's that one.
Southwestern Railway service to Southampton.
And here's 15888.
Channels forward and Romsey. This train has two carriages.
This is the 1335 South Western Railway service to Romsey from Salisbury.
On platform 1, anyone requiring 1335 Romsey Way is now departing on platform 2.
So there's that one.
Platform 2 with a
See what I'm going at in a minute. Now there's the 1335 South Western Railway service from Salisbury to Romsey, which now calls at St Denis, Swaveling, Southampton Airport Parkway, Eastleigh, Chandlersford and Romsey. So there goes that one. Okay, slowly making its way through now is a Freightliner Class 66, which is 66532. I'm not too sure what this one is doing. I didn't actually expect this one, but it's the second before last train of this video. P&O Ned Lloyd Atlas is the nameplate. As that one goes through, it's going to go through very, very slowly. Arriving as well. Actually departing now is 158886, is 1337 South Western Railway service to Salisbury from Romsey. It's not actually departing yet, but it is here. 158886, and we'll see this one leave in a minute. The freight on the other hand, is just slowly making its way through. But I sort of still want to stick around for the 158 as well. But the freight will sort of run in the background as we're going along, but we've got to get going, so I'm going to finish up with the 158 as it's heading off shortly. But there it is anyway. You saw the locomotive and there's all the freight. But I can film it all because I've got to get going, but there it is. Tell you what, actually, I'll film it, but the 158 is also off. In fact, it's about to leave. 13:37 South Western Railway service to Salisbury. Also arriving is a terminating service from Portsmouth and Southsea. That one leaves and the freight's finally passed through as well. And it's 450.036. Okay, so as the 158 leaves and the 450 arrives, I'm going to finish the video from Southampton Central here. Thank you all for watching this video from Southampton Central, which I know is quite a long one, and I'm glad. If you have liked what you've seen it, then please do like and subscribe. Please leave any comments because I'll get back to them as and when I can. And any recommendations are welcome, so please leave those in the comments. Joining me today was Tom Trainspotter. Do check out his channel. This station's been absolutely fantastic, and it's actually the first ever faultless video I've ever done at Southampton Central. No problems, no issues, no delays, no strike action, no nothing. This station's actually been absolutely perfect this time around. And I'm really glad to say that because it's been the first time in my entire 5 years of filming this channel that I've said that I've done a perfect film at Southampton Central, so I'm very glad. Yeah, highly recommend the station. Amazing variety, brilliant views, everything's really, really good. This is a brilliant station and it really is worth filming at. One of the best, I think it's probably the best station in Hampshire. Next to Basingstoke, it's probably the best station in Hampshire, or Eastleigh actually for that matter. Those three are up there with the best. They're really, really good. So, the next station for me is St Denny's again. So, we shall see you there. Thanks for watching this episode of Big Trip, guys. And I'll see you at St Denny's. Goodbye.